Hello, this is Aria from Kingleon. We are one of the biggest pieces manufacturer in China. Welcome to visit our factory.
I'm Vivi, account manager in Kingleon. Do you want to pay more attention to our production? Now I'll show you our production workshop. Here are 4 lines: A line, B line, C line, and D line. Cleaning after assembly. Pasting stickers. Checking the housing. Now is the packing station. We will put this figure into the PE bag. This is our new gaming separated soundbar called N165BT. The speaker is the first RGB separated gaming soundbar. The size is 15-inch. Easy to place it underneath the device you have. Compact size suits perfectly for your audio system. The speaker is with the recalled volume knob. It can rotate individually, and it will beep to tell you when the volume reaches max. And it also supports the Bluetooth mode. You can enjoy the music from your phone in Bluetooth mode.
To let you know how our speakers produce from spare parts to finished product, I would like to start from how we control our material. We will stand up. For example, this is our PCB test report. After filling in this chart, we will label the materials. You can check this is our material label and place them in the corresponding position. Then you may ask, where are your finished products? That is a good question. All of our products are not only just tested by two. Here is our OQC finished goods inspection area. Our testing machine. This is the cable bending machine. And this is the source spring chamber. This is our switchboard.
Hello, this is Lily from Kingleon. After seeing our factory, you must have lots of questions. Let's answer for you.
How many employees do you have in your factory, and what is the daily production capacity?
Our factory covers an area of 5,000 square meters and has more than 150 employees with 4 production lines. The daily production output can reach 10,000 pieces. The month's production output can reach 300,000